Hello guys, it's me Roshan Kumar Shah and I welcome you heartily to my 10th Q Basic Programming Language tutorial. And here we go, CLS, sorry not CSL, CLS. And in this tutorial I am going to teach you guys about the reversing of a word. Suppose the user passed any word to you, any word to the computer, and this QBasic program will just reverse the word inputted by the user. So let's start it up. Input enter word yeah, and store the word passed in $, and since it is a string, so we have used the $sign after the variable name. Yeah, now there is one inbuilt function called len, and what this does I'll say soon, very soon. Let L is equal to what? Length of $. Let L equals to length of $. What the third line of this program, that is let L is equal to length of $, it just counts the number of characters present in $. Suppose I wrote Roshan, that is I passed the word as Roshan. Now you can see that the number of characters in my name is 6, so the value assigned to the L will be 6. Here you see the number of characters are 1 2 3 4 5 and 6. So here are 6 characters, that's why the value of L will also be 6. Why? Because the length of the word passed is 6. So this is just inbuilt function, and what it does, it counts the number of characters of in the string passed. Okay, cool. Now a for loop for j equals to L to 1 step minus 1 $b equals to mid bracket open a $j1. Don't worry guys, I'm surely going to teach you that what this statement will do, but let me just finish up the program and I will surely teach you. Plus b $, afterwards next j, and print reverse word is print r $, and end the program. Here we go. So there is a mistake on the line 7, next j, but I don't think that there is any one. Let L is equal to length of 4, j is equal to L to 1 step minus 1. Yeah, correct, but oh, there should be a space. Sorry guys, it's embarrassing. Okay, now the status is okay, good, cool. So here now a quick walkthrough of the program. First of all, I clear the screen. Afterwards, I allow the user to input any word, whatever the user want to put the word he can, and this QBasic program will store that very passed word in $. Now the len $, counts the number of characters present in the word inputted by the user. Now this for loop, this is the most important part of this program. For j is equal to L to 1 is step minus 1. Suppose the user passed the word as Nepal. Okay, now the value of $, will be Nepal, and the value of L will be 5. As you can see, the number of characters in Nepal is 5. Now for j is equal to L to 1 step minus 1, here the value of j will be starting from L and it decreases up to 1. So at the first time the value of j will be L, that is 5. Now the most important line of the program is this one. B dollar is equal to mid dollar A dollar J1. Oh my crap, what this is? Don't worry, it's a simple one. Please trust me, it's very easy. Mid dollar, it is again a inbuilt function, same as like len. It was also an inbuilt function by the QBasic, and similarly it is also a inbuilt function by the QBasic. And what this does, it takes out some number of characters from a specified position from a given string. Here a dollar, the first one represents the given string, the second character, that is j, here it specifies the position, that from which position you want to take the characters. And finally the last one, here it is 1, it says QBasic to that how many characters do you want to take, and here it is 1, so it will take one character at a time. So please listen to it carefully once again. Mid dollar is an inbuilt function, same as like other functions, and its work used to take some characters, and that is represented at the last one, that is here it is 1, and the middle one represents that from where do you want to take characters, and the first one represents that from which string do you want to take characters. Okay, this say how many characters do you want to take, this one say from where do you want to take the characters, and this one say from which string do you want to take the character. Now R dollar is equal to R dollar plus B dollar. It store the reverse string and store in R dollar. That's why I have printed the R dollar as the reverse word. Now suppose the value of j was 5. So B dollar is equal to mid dollar, A dollar is Nepal, j is right now 5 and 1. So from Nepal it will take one character from the 5th position, that is from the word Nepal it will take one character from the 5th position, that is L. Here you can see, and it will store the value in R dollar. So the R dollar is right now L. Now it will loop it again for j is equal to, now previously it was 5, now it will be 4 because there is a step minus 1, it decreases the value of j by 1. Now B dollar is equal to mid dollar, A dollar is Nepal, and now j is 4 because previously it was 5 and 1. So again this will from the word Nepal it will take one character from the 4th position. From the word Nepal it will take one character from the 4th position, and now previously the value of R dollar was L as we stored it, and now the value of B dollar from here is A. So now the new value of R dollar will be L, which was previous one, and B dollar. From then it means it is A. So the R dollar is LA, and similarly it will loop it 5 times and finally it will print the reverse word. Don't you trust me? Here you can see. Oh, first of all let me delete this one, though I don't want to delete my country name, but to run the program I need to do so. Start. Come on, load it faster. Enter word. Suppose I enter my name Roshan. Okay, now it says reverse word is Nahasor. Wow, even my reverse word is cool, buddy. Oh, congratulations to me that my original name and reverse name both are equally cool. Good, Nahasor, good. So here you see guys, that just it print. First of all it take n, here it is, afterwards is a, here you can see, then h, and similarly s over. So this is the way to reverse any word. Now you can play with these stuffs. Programming, you can learn programming only by playing and practicing a lot. Just enjoy programming, play how much you want to play, and then only you will get the concepts of basic programming language. So that's enough for this tutorial. See you guys later in the next tutorial.